Good morning, YouTube. Just wanted to show you real quick the Honey I Washed the Kids soap. Here it is out of the mold. And just for fun, on the bottom I put bubble wrap to do the honeycomb look. And I guess I didn't look at my bubble wrap real well because there was a whole row right here that was not a bubble. But oh well, it's on the bottom anyway, so I just thought it would be something fun. Try it out. I didn't put any coloring in it because I didn't know if it would turn brown or not. Yeah, it makes it look funny with the honeycomb on the bottom. I might have to make that the top instead. I don't know. When I first decided to make this, I wasn't going to do any swirly things or anything on the top. I was just going to let it be smooth. But then, of course, you know, when it's all nice and being perfect in the mold, you want to play. So I did. Quite pleased there's no ash today. Just a hair. None real bad. Alright, that is the Honey I Washed the Kids, the Daystar Lush dupe. I think now they're calling it, let me get the bottle. Yeah, they've changed the name from Honey I Washed the Kids to Toffee Sugar Crunch. So, or maybe it was always that, and then people just called it Honey I Washed the Kids because that was the name from Lush. I'm not sure. Anyway, that's it. It smells yummy. Alright guys, bye.